Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to see how we can take a picture of moon with an average mobile phone. So right now I am using this Samsung A50. Also it is an old version mobile phone, but the settings are similar as new gen mobile phones. So for the first way we are taking picture of moon by a simple zoom. So this device going to 4x zoom, but the latest smartphone by Samsung goes up to 100 times zoom. Means the photograph from latest device are way better than this. Also try to avoid this night mode option, because this option provide more brightness to the screen, and that's why it feels like a grainy effect. By the way, this is my personal preference, you can go with yours. You can also use this pro mode, but for this mode you have to play with lots of settings which depend on types of picture you want to take. After that, adjust the lock circle of auto exposure and autofocus. So these were some ways, and there are some sample pictures on your screen. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.